Okay, it says record. Continuing on some work on the little Toyota Sienna. This device here, with this bolt in it, is the device which holds the door from opening all the way and getting damaged. On the left side, the metal inside of here is missing. I mean, literally missing, as like having been torn out. Now, I don't know when that happened, but it was that way when I bought the vehicle. So before I put all of this back on, and put the screws in here and here and back here, I took a seat belt that I had purchased and a new bolt, because this bolt was missing, and these two screws, cauterized the end of this thing here with my lighter, and I used this chunk of the seat belt, and it goes back in here. There's another piece of this piece of flat plate in here. There's 3 screws in the flat plate back behind this plastic, and there's 2 more screws over here. Before I did this door would swing all the way back and make contact with this. And you can see where sometime or another it had made very hard contact, and that's probably what broke the mirror. I ordered a new clock spring, which goes down inside of here. And right now, my horn does not work. So I have a temporary horn switch wired into the horn going to the fuse box up here. And that's my story for the day, and I'm sticking to it.